Looking for the best dye-free laundry detergents? In this video we will look at some of the top dye-free laundry detergents on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Almighty Pax Laundry Detergent, Free Clear for Sensitive Skin. Pods dissolve completely, even in cold water cycles. Less expensive than other pod alternatives. 2-pack deal provides over 130 loads. No waste on measuring liquid detergent. Cleans clothing really well. Convenient and pre-measured with no dyes for sensitive skin. This version of all comes in a laundry pod, which can be extremely dangerous if swallowed. At number 2. Arm & Hammer, Sensitive Skin Perfume, and Dye-Free Liquid Laundry Detergent. Comes in a manageable sized container that is easy to pour. Non-perfumed, but has a fresh scent. This can be used to refill your bottle if needed, or used on its own. Cleans well at a good price. A good value on a dye-free detergent that won't irritate sensitive skin. The product is biodegradable, but the packaging is not. Nor can it be recycled. At number 1. Tide, Pods Free and Gentle. Gets your clothing very clean. Gentle and still effective. Pre-measured pods make it easy and less messy. Works well on all clothing for the family, not just baby clothes. More convenient. Tide can often get clothing clean without spot treatment. Also comes in a regular non-pod liquid. Tide has offered its superior cleaning product in an allergy-friendly pod. The cost on these pods is much more expensive than comparable pod-based detergents. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.